Hey everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a personalized alarm clock. First of all, we need to install Play Sound to play the sound. Then we will import date time. And from Play Sound import Play Sound. Next, we need to set a couple of variables. We will need the hour, minute, and m/pm options. The next thing we need to do is we need to differentiate between m and pm because the date time module gives time in 24 hours format, so we need to add 12 hours to the alarm_hour if it's a PM. Now we write the code for the alarm itself. So while true, here we check that alarm_hour and alarm_min equal to system time. If it equals, then we need to custom sound, else it waits until the time is equal. Let's run this. Now the time is 3:57 PM. Let's enter time 3:58 PM, so that alarm will on after 1 minute. Waiting for time to be 3:58.
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Thanks for watching the video and subscribe to my channel.